Hello guys, this is Emeline of Cuisine. Welcome. So our menu for today, I'm gonna make the spicy hard chicken in 40 minutes. So now we can put, first, we're gonna put the onions. Okay. So, as you can see, I'm not using the oil. So, if you have this salad master in your kitchen, you can save oil also every time you cook. Or you're gonna put oil, it's okay. And then now we can add the garlic. Okay, we can add the garlic. I'm using 3 cloves of garlic. So we're just gonna wait until the garlic and the onion will. Okay. So takpan natin maybe like just 30 seconds. Become brown. The juices start coming out. So we have to stir it. Oh, starting to smell good. Ayan. So ngayon, lagyan na natin siya ng mga 2 cups of water. Then we're gonna put the fish sauce. 3 whole spoon. And we're gonna put this one. And we're gonna put the lemongrass. And some paminta, bell pepper. Yan. And we're just gonna put the lid back on and medium click low in 40 minutes. Ayan. So now we can put our sayote. I'm using 1 piece of sayote. And we can add our bell pepper. Yeah, so another halong another, malapit, i-check natin yung time. Okay. Okay, so our spicy hard chicken is finished. So now it's time to taste it. Okay. It's time to tikim. First, anuhan natin yung sabaw. We're gonna taste the soup. It's halang. Para maga. Now we're gonna taste the bean. So lang. Thank you guys for watching. Please do like the YouTube channel of Elite Cuisine and subscribe it. And see you again next time. Thank you.